This is the Rolex Yacht Master II, model number 116688. The outer white box is clean and simple, featuring a large embossed Rolex logo. Inside is the green Rolex presentation case, featuring a gold logo and a wave effect on top. A 5-year warranty card, wallet and instruction book are stored neatly away under the logo on the inside of the lid. As the name suggests, the Yacht Master is a watch dedicated to yacht racing. Although it wasn't until 2007, when the Yacht Master II was released, that we saw some dedicated features for this purpose. There are a few variations of the Yacht Master II, firstly in yellow gold and white gold, and later in stainless steel and Everose Gold. However, the thing that makes this model really stand out is the use of 18-karat yellow gold in the case, strap and hands. On the white face you'll find 4 hands, the standard minute and hour hands, and also a second hand which is used as a stopwatch, and a 4th short hand which works in conjunction with the bezel. The bezel on the Yacht Master is unusual but also quite brilliant. It acts in an entirely different way to the usually independent movement we would expect. The bezel on the Yacht Master II acts in conjunction with the internal movement and the countdown dial on the face to create a timer that can be synchronized with a 10-minute warning before the start time of a yacht race. To do this, simply turn the bezel 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Press the lower button all the way down, put the crown to the first click position and set the red arrow hand to the number of minutes required. Then turn the bezel back 90 degrees clockwise to set the timer. Screw the crown back down to make sure it is waterproof and press the top button to start the timer. The watch features a 44mm 18-karat gold oyster case with a screw down case back, keeping the watch waterproof down to 100 meters or 330 feet, which means you don't need to worry about your latest purchase getting hounded by the wind and waves or the waves of champagne when you win the race. On the side of the watch you will find the winding crown and 2 push buttons. And the face of the watch is protected by scratch-resistant crystal. Inside is a caliber 4161 perpetual mechanical self-winding regatta chronograph manufactured by Rolex. The oyster bracelet has flat 3-piece links made of 18-karat yellow gold and features both a brushed and polished finish. It is safely fastened with an oyster lock folding clasp which prevents accidental opening while out at sea. The EasyLink Comfort Extension link allows the wearer to increase the bracelet length by approximately 5mm to ensure the perfect fit. On the wrist, this is a bold watch at 44mm, and its stunning looks definitely stand out on your wrist as a talking point. This watch will really appeal to many intrigued by its innovative functionality and impeccable engineering standards. It will also appeal as one of the stars of your collection, as a watch for smart occasions, or of course, for sailing regattas. You can find out more about this watch on our website at www.iconicwatches.co.uk. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more watch unboxings coming soon.
Iconic Watches is an online luxury watch specialist, with a dedicated showroom in the High Street of Blackburn where we have been for the last 71 years. We sell 100% genuine watches at discount prices and are a member of the National Association of Goldsmiths. All of our watches are sourced from authorised dealers and come with an original manufacturer's warranty and carry a lifetime guarantee of authenticity. We stock over 200 watches that can be dispatched straight away for next day delivery, and if we don't have what you were looking for in stock, we can order from one of our authorised dealers. Order online today and we can ship it to you with worldwide delivery available. Find out more at iconicwatches.co.uk.